Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2950 series. What I want to do is to show you how to reset the network, how to restore all settings. So what you need to do is go to the menu, scroll to the side and go to the settings. Select on the settings. The printer is currently connected to a network. Once you reset it, you will see a warning on the printer. So go to the settings, select OK to the settings, scroll all the way to restore default settings. Select OK to restore default settings. It will show you network settings if you want to reset only the network, copy settings if you want to reset only the copy setting, scan settings if you want to reset only the scan setting, clear all data and settings. So select clear all data and settings, select OK to clear all data and settings. It will show you restore all settings, including network to default. Then you select OK or you select stop for no. So select OK for yes. Processing, it will show you settings restored. Then you can go back. If you look on the app, it will show you a warning on the printer. What that means is the printer is no longer connected to a network. You see this warning on the printer image. So you need to reconnect the printer to a network. And also, once you reset the printer to factory default setting, if you switch off the printer from the power, then select OK to turn the printer off. So the printer is switched off. If you switch the printer on again, it will show you Epson. Then you need to start afresh to reconnect the printer. It will show you for you to select the language and go ahead and reconnect the printer. So this is how to reset the printer to factory default setting. Thank you very much indeed.